Hello, my name is Adrian Hyde of Adrian Hyde Photography, and today in this video we're going to say hello to the two GoPros. Hello and hello. The object of today's little video is going to be really quick. It's just to see what it's like with a comparison with the Hero 8, the new one, and the Hero 5 black, both blacks. At the moment we've still got, turn this round, still got this muff on, so hopefully the audio is going to be good on one way and then the other way. So I'm just going to unplug that now, so you should see it. There you go, that's that unplugged. Now we should just be using the audio from the naked, literally just the naked audio as it sounds out. It's blowing a little bit, so see what it's like. It's quite nice. And it's day. The wind's dropped off a little bit now. Typical, isn't it? But anyway, that's a little test that I just wanted to see what it was like. So I'm going to leave that there now. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye bye. And while we have the camera out, I thought I would do a very quick time lapse. It's also called time warp, and I've done it a few times now, and I've found this to be very, very smooth, especially when you're walking. But there is a very good little thing you can do with it. You can tap the back of the screen, and it switches from from time warp time back to real time. This is really good, but you've got to be a little bit careful with it because the sound is still not there. As you'll see, if you continue watching to the end of the video, you'll see what happens. I thought the sound actually cuts in, but this is the first time I did this time lapse or time warp with this GoPro 8 black, and now you see then I then put it to live, a normal mode, for a very, very short time. It works very well though, and I'm really pleased with it. It's a real improvement on the GoPro 5. this is the bit in the video where I mentioned earlier that I just tapped the back of the screen and then I thought that the audio would then kick in, but it doesn't. So all I was saying in this little bit here was, until next time, I'll see you soon, and bye bye for now.